This is a project I did about 6 years ago or so, and it's just been sitting in a box ever since. It's an LED matrix that's controlled by a bunch of daisy-chained 4017 decade timers, and those are triggered by a couple of 555 timers. If I turn it on, you can see what it does. Basically, it goes through the rows and columns. And adjusting these two pots down here, I can adjust the X and the Y speeds independently. So I can turn it, like now Y is very slow, and then I can turn Y up fast. And same thing with X. And you can do some neat stuff with it. If you get them going at the same rate, then you get things moving at a 45-degree angle. And playing with it at other angles, you can get, or you can adjust it and get it to seemingly move at different slopes. When I built this, I had the idea that I was going to use this in my classes when I talked about the slope of lines defined by parametric functions, but I never got around to that. Anyway, the way it's built, these are 6 LED matrices, and I actually wire wrapped on the back of those, and the wire wrap comes out to here. Let me see if I can get this to focus. Comes out to here, and that's where they connect to the chips. So it's a bunch of ULN 2003 chips for syncing the power, and then a handful of 4017s for the columns and for the rows. There's one chip in there that's a piece of glue logic. I forget what I needed it for, but I needed it something to do with the daisy chaining, I think. And then I've also got a couple of 555s, one right there. It's dark in here because I had to turn the light out. But a 555 there and over there for controlling for generating the initial pulse. So anyway, this is probably the biggest thing I've built as far as having tons of wires going everywhere. It's kind of a mess, but I like it. And no electronics videos complete without a cat in it. So that's it.